Hello student, in last class we have discussed about type of function and question based on that. In some of the question we have proved that function was 1 onto bijective, or in some of the cases we have proved question as a many one or with a different combination. Here one category we are going to discuss is question number 9, in which the function is many one but it will be considered as a onto. In 95% cases, if your function is 1 then only it can be considered as onto, or it will form onto image. This is the exceptional case. So this way 2, 3 are the exceptional case in which being a many function, your function will consider as onto. How it is so, try to understand. In this question, first we understand what your function is available and how it is being defined for different category. Now first of all, your function is defined from set of natural number to set of natural number, means range and domain both are same. Your fn is defined in two category as your selection of a value of n. For n odd value, this function you will select. For n even value, this function you will select. This is applicable for all the combination what we are going to be selected from set n. So let's try to understand how it will turn as a many one onto. So as a solution, let's consider first given function. Your function is being defined from n. So as a domain, you can take 1, 2, 3 like that up to positive infinity. Now we try to find out some range values, and then that will give you the idea about its category. So basically we have to start with n is equal to 1. So for n is equal to 1, it is being an odd number. First function you will select as a evaluation. So as a evaluation you will turn the value as a 2 upon 2, 1. Move towards the second value, n is equal to 2. If you go for evaluation of f2, means you will select the second one, it is being even number. So 2 upon 2 again will give you 1. So you can see n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2, both are giving you single answer, means same answer as a 1. Same way if you move towards the next 2, n is equal to 3, means again you will go for 3 plus 1 by 2 means 2. N is equal to 4 means n4, it is 4 by 2 means final you will get. So here also you can see the answer is coming as a 2. So this way if you keep on moving towards the infinite one, 2 value will give you same answer form. If you will write for 5 and 6, that will give you the value as a 3. So that way if you write all the possible value, you will get solution as a 1, 2, 3 and so on. So if you look at the value as a function value, again you are having value in your natural number starting from 1. So as a solution, 2 values are giving you single answer. So on basis of, you can say that f is many one function. Now we talk about the onto possibility. You can see all the solution which is required as a form of a range of f, you are getting same as your natural number set, means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, you will get a solution as a range of your function. So in this case, range of f you are getting is n. So even though it is being a many one, it will be considered as a onto function, because none of the element is going to remain as such which is not giving you the function value with respect to the any of the element regarding your given domain. That's why your f will consider as onto function. So in combined form it can't be said it is bijective, but separately we can say f is your many one with the onto mapping. So this way there are some questions which are the exceptional one, in which being a many one it will turn to onto. Now the next topic we are going to start is composition of a function, means more than one function if you are going to make a combine, so how that function value can be evaluated. And second point we are going to discuss is a evaluation of inverse based on a given function form. So first of all, we try to understand what the composition of functions is and what is basic criteria for that. So it was all about the type of the function with different category. Now we are talking about composition of function. As your term is composition means combined more than one function. So at least two functions we have to combine. So just to look at the basic criteria, which functions can be combined under which condition. Now suppose we have defined here two functions, f from set A to B and second one from B to C. First of all, we are going to talk about G composition f. How to write this one and which function is going to be evaluated, that we will discuss first. When your question is being given in such a way or you are going to evaluate this term G composition f, so here G is not going to evaluate first, f will evaluate first on basis of this x value. So this way it will be right. Now meaning of this composition, so here try to understand with the help of diagram, so it will be more clear to you. Here you see, this is your first set, second, as we are talking about composition of two functions, so obviously three circles it will be required over there. As your first function is going to be evaluated as fx, regarding your fx, your domain is available as set A. Regarding your range as a function of f, it is B, and as a range it is C. Okay. Now these are all the values x which are going to be taken from set A. fx is going to be evaluated first, means with respect to this all x value, we are going to generate one image over here based on your f function, and as a result here you will generate f of x. Normally f of x we write as a y. Now fx will evaluate first what the fx is. It is a range of f. Here range of f is your b. It should be same as, because now onwards we are going to form second function or generate second function. So obviously range of the first function should match to domain of the second one, then only we can perform second image, otherwise not possible. So before starting this composition evaluation on basis of given function, you will check that range of this second function should same as domain of the first one, because this second what we have written here is going to be evaluate first and then it will be proceed by the second one. So here y means fx. So the basic condition for formation of this composition is range of f should subset as domain of G. Here in this case you can check out range of f, that means B, domain of f is again B, means B can be considered as a subset of B, means your condition fulfilled over here. So now you can proceed for second mapping. So this y will be treated, because as a fx again you will have a single answer form if your x is being a numerical value. So again on basis of this y, now this y will be treat as a domain for your G mapping. So this y you will treat as a domain for G mapping. So here your Gy will be evaluated, or it can be written as Gfx. So this way you can write composition G to F. So in reverse order it can be considered. And as a combined form, you can say from where to where you are going to be mapped, from A to C. So this way your compositions are to be right. So basic condition should be checked first before writing composition of any two or more than two function. Now the same case, if you are going to write F composition G, so what is the condition we will check out? F composition G, if you are going to write, so what it will happen here? F and then Gx. Every time we are not going to find it out, this type of mapping and this type of diagram, function will be defined in your question. Direct function you will select here and then proceed for writing solution form. So in real practice it is not possible to form this type of diagram for each and every question, but your understanding should be there that what you are going to perform. So it was the basic condition for G composition F. Now second thing, we are going to perform F composition G. So as I told, range of this inside term or range of this second function, so range of G should be subset of domain of this outside one, means domain of F. So in the same case we try to check that is it possible to form F composition G. Here range of G means set C. Everywhere you will understand that from where to where your function is being defined, first set you will consider as a domain and second set always be a range. So everywhere for each function it is remain same. Now here range of G is your C and domain of F is your A. Here you can see these two are totally distinct one, no link with each other. So this is not possible to form F composition G. So first of all, before writing composition form or a combined form, check out the basic condition. If it follow proper, then only you proceed about the further evaluation. Otherwise, you write only this composition is not possible. So this is all about the composition of two function. So two things you have to keep in your mind. First, what the function is being defined to you separately, what are the range and domain for the individual, and checking of the basic condition before evaluating any of the composition form. Many of the time, means 90% cases, this F and G are defined with the same combination, just as Z to Z. Here also you will find Z to Z, N to N, N to N, R to R, R to R. So everywhere you are getting the same type of combination. So it will be very clear that all domains and all range are matched to each other. So direct you can proceed about the solution. But in some of the cases, particular sets are available. So at that time, be careful while writing the solution form. Now we move to some question in which composition is being asked. Exercise 1.3. First we are going to attend first question in which direct solutions are available. Only composition forms we have to write. So first we try to understand what your question is given. Here, your two functions are given as F is being defined from set 1, 3, 4 to set 1, 2, 5. Secondly, your G is being defined from 1, 2, 5 and its range is 1 and 3. Now your function F and G both are available in terms of ordered pair as your F is given as 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. And in the same manner your G is also being defined S, ordered pair 1, 3, 2, 3 and 5, 1. Now we have to evaluate G composition F for each case. Now how to write this type of combination? Because actual values are available for both F and G, and your function are also defined from where to where it is also being given. So as I told you, before evaluation of any of the function form, first you will go for checking range and domain criteria. Here you can see different combinations are available. So first you will match the solution form. So before evaluating G composition F, you will go for checking. Normally it is to be read this way. Just now we make it clear. So here range of F should be subset of domain of G. Here range of F, that means what? 1, 2, 3, 5. Domain of G is again same. Means both are same set. Set itself can be a subset of it. So here 1 to 5 is a subset of this 1 to 5. So it fulfills the condition for formation of a G composition F. Now your function fx or gx is not defined in a separate form or in terms of x. So from the given ordered pair we will proceed about. So first of all we will start with f function, means here it is a domain, it is a range. So for first we pick up this ordered pair regarding f function, as your f is going to be evaluated first. So first one is your GOF for 1. And if you are confused, you can select from here also. So here this is GF1. F1 value is how much? 2. This is the domain, this is the range. G2. Now you come here. G2 means for this domain value 2, your answer is 3. So now it will give you the idea about the solution regarding this G2 function value. So for this G2, your answer will come out as 3. So this way for given ordered pair we will check it out. Now move for the second one. GOF for 3. Here your domain value is 3. So here write in a proper way. This is F3. Now come to this F3 value. Regarding this F3, your answer is 5. G5. G5 means here you will come. Regarding this 5, your answer is 1. So this will be come out as 1. So this way your function value direct can be written. Now third one is G composition F with come to the third ordered pair regarding your F, that is 4 as a domain value. G F4. As a range you are getting 1, G1. Come to your G function regarding this last combination. For 1, answer is 3. So this will give you the solution for G composition F4. So this way, on basis of somewhat numerical value or ordered pair, direct you can write about the composition what is being asked. Here it will not be given you that for this particular solution you find out. First you have to study about the given function form and then find out the solution. Okay, so this is the one type of question you may have regarding your G composition or F, or it may be asked F composition of G. Now move to the next category in which your functions are being defined in terms of X, and you have to go for writing G composition F and F composition G. This is your third question in which two functions are defined separately, f and g, and you have to work out for that. Now here nothing is given regarding your function f and g from where to where it is being defined. So in general we will take these are defined on R itself. Now here just talk about the first combination in which your fx is available as modulus of x and gx is available as 5x minus 2. Here nothing is given regarding g and f mapping from where to where it is being defined. So in general we will take it from R to R, means on set of real number it is given. Now here you have to find out f composition g and g composition f. So let's start with the first one, evaluation. G composition f and x. So this is g, fx. Everywhere you will write in the same manner. Fx means this function as such. Up to now we were writing the actual value for that, but here none of the value is available to us. So as such the function is to be copied in form of your or in place of your function. So here it will be g modulus of x in place of this fx function. Now this is to be treated as a gx function form. It is given to us in the question what the gx is, modulus of 5x minus 2. So here in place of x in your g function you will write this modulus of x. So how it will be? Already one modulus is available, 5. In place of x you will write the same, whatever it is available. It may be with a long expression, so that same you will write in place of x for define gx function. So everywhere in place of x you will substitute this function or value whatever it is. So this will be your g composition f. Second part, it is being asked as a f composition g. So reverse order you will maintain. Here nothing is going to be sought out, as such you keep. Second is a f composition gx. So again in general you will write f of gx. What the gx is available, it is also available with the modulus 1 bit, but with the 2 terms. So here this is your 5x minus 2 with the modulus form. Now in your fx function in place of x you will write this whole expression as a modulus 1 you will write. So in place of x as this modulus it will be. So this is the modulus sign with respect to this given function. This is the modulus sign for your x value, that is 5x minus 2. So twice your modulus will come. If you write modulus of any term 1 time, 2 time or 3 time, it will remain same, doesn't matter. So one modulus value or modulus sign you can omit. So this way it will come with the single modulus 1. So this way you can see both forms are quite different as a final answer form. It will be more reflect in a second part that is available as in second part, single combinations are available for both. Means for fx it is available as 8x cube and for gx it is available as x power 1 upon 3. Here also both composition we have to find it out, g composition f and f composition g. So first we move for g composition f. What the fx is, this much. Or it can be written as two x with the cubic one. Okay. Now in gx function in place of x now you will substitute 2x with power 3. As such also it can be kept. Now here as a x you will write 2x with power 3 over here. So it will be your 2x with power 3. As a function 1 by 3 power is carrying, so this is the 1 by 3. It will be cancelled out. Power 1 means it will left with a single term, that is 2x. Now move to the second composition, that is F composition G. Here Gx we will write first, that is available as x power 1 upon 3. Now in your fx function, in place of x you will write x power 1 upon 3, keeping this 8 as such. So here it will be 8 x power 1 upon 3 with power 3. Again it will cancel its effect, means it is your 8x. So this way you can see both are coming with the different combination, even though the same function terms we have used. So this way your answer will be effect as you change the position of G to F. So this is about the composition of a two function. Now next we move towards the evaluation of an inverse for given function. Now first of all, we try to attempt if your question is available with the self composition. So with that reference we are going to attend one part of your question number 4, in which your fx is available as 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4, where x is not equal to 2 by 3. Here the first part you have to show that F composition F is your x. So first we are going to show this half part and then we will move for evaluation of inverse. Now here F composition with the self, set type of question many times going to be asked. So here any of the combination may be given to you. F composition with F, here it will be Fx. Fx means the self 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. Now in place of x, in your fx function everywhere you will write this fractional expression, means here and here you will write this fractional expression. So here it will be your 4, in place of x the whole will come plus 3 upon 6 Now we will go for taking LCM over here. So first of all this 4 will take the LCM, 6x minus 4, so this will be 4x plus 3 plus 3, 6x minus 4. Here also the same expression you will take as a LCM. This will be 6, 4x plus 3 minus 4, 6x minus 4. Being common LCM it will be cut. Now go for evaluation of this expression value. This will give you 16x plus 12 plus 18x minus 12 upon, here it will give you 24x plus 18 minus 24x plus 16. Now here this 12 cut, here this 24 cut, make them add, it will give you 34x upon 34. This also will be add, this will cut, and final answer you will get as a x. So what we have proved here, F composition F you are getting as X. So here it is a required proof as F composition F. This is your X. So this way many combination it can be proved with the different function form. So it is called self-mapping. So such type of questions you have to handle in this manner. Now here one more thing is remain to discuss, that is evaluation of inverse based on this given function form. So in next class we will discuss about the same. Thank you.